or not, that's not right. It's Clara, is it Anand versus Holly Ellis?
Yeah. Do I approach here?
Sure.
Okay.
If you're on this case.
That is me, Clara Ganad.
Ishq-e-Rasool, I'd like to request.
Go ahead. What were you going to say?
Ishq-e-Rasool, good afternoon, Your Honor. I'd like to request permission under Michigan.
The courtroom opens with a tense discussion about overdue payments.
To speak on behalf of Holly Ellison.
All right. Permission to practice is granted. I think you've been before me before, so. All right. Where are we on this case?
The total balance due to, sorry.
Go ahead.
Let me start with the plaintiff. What do you claim is?
The total balance owed is $6,330.
Defendant insists he already cleared most of his balance last year.
$6,033.60.
Got it. Okay.
Your Honor, we just got the case this week. We filed our answer yesterday and emailed Ms. Gannon the copy. There's been some confusion about the rent contributions that our client has been making and what Mishta is paying. So our client has been giving the plaintiff $50 every month, which is her portion of the rent. So we're still trying to get in contact with Mishta to figure out what's going on.
Judge listens carefully. Only $16 remain, but rules are rules.
50?
Yes.
Is that what it's been, ma'am?
Yes, but Mishta, you'll see that I submitted some evidence that the termination of lease is effective June 30th, 2020.
A new payment plan is made and another hearing date is set.
Full amount of rent since that termination date.
What was their reason for terminating?
Holly herself requested termination. It's actually the top document there. There is a letter from Mishta and stapled to it is a...
The judge shows understanding, giving him a final chance to settle things.
Your Honor, we're still trying to get into contact with Mishta to figure out what's going on. Our client maintains that she signed a new lease, and so that Mishta should be paying their normal portion.
Well, hold on a second. Was there so I don't know if you have these documents up or not, but it's the contract termination notice, and it.
6. Next, a new case begins full of confusion about rent and lease agreements.
Following that page is a copy of the letter that signed, well, it doesn't have her signature, but it is the letter that Holly sent requesting termination of the lease.
We don't have that letter, which is why we have been trying to.
No, I got you, and I would just indicate I don't. So this is a. Let me just read this part because so that you. What I'll do, counsels, I'll make sure that we'll fax over to you these documents. Since the court has received them. But it says, I am to the current management company or owner. I am submitting my 30-day
Lawyers argue over who's truly responsible for unpaid rent.
Unit. The furnace needs maintenance, which I submitted to Prime Property Management and their maintenance team in October of 2024. They came many times to fix the problem and still have yet to fix the extremely loud vents. There's a major plumbing issue that has not been addressed by Prime Management, their management team, or new owner. And then it says it hasn't been addressed by her either, I guess is really what she's saying. It then states Holly Ellison and then lists a phone number. That's dated May 30th of 2025. And then there are some other documents.
Judge reviews letters claiming poor living conditions and broken promises.
Out of signature, but I'll let you guys deal with that. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case is we'll send these documents over to you. I realize that you guys are new on this case, and I've got an answer and affirmative defenses which have been filed, which I'm presuming at some point may be amended. I'll adjourn this hearing over to October 24th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's 3 p.m. Santa Croce.
We'd also, to that end, like permission for limited discovery for the maintenance reports on any rent
Oh
ledgers.
my gosh. Oh, dear. Just taught him for discovery. When you're saying limited discovery, what is exactly you're requesting, Cal?
We'd like the rent ledgers, because the rent that the plaintiff is alleging, we're not sure where that number is coming from based on the prime property lease. That calculation is incorrect. And we'd also like the maintenance reports for anything that has been like that prime management or that the plaintiff has sent maintenance to the property for.
So basically, they're going to need a ledger and all maintenance requests and repairs. How soon can you get that to them?
I will give myself until Monday, but it could be later today, depending on, I have a work a full-time job as well, but.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do it in form of a formal order of discovery. I'm going to order that the plaintiff, however, provide those two things to the defendant's counsel. You're to do that by October 15th, Wednesday of next week. And I just want to make sure, counsel, that I'm getting exactly what you want. You're really looking for a ledger so that you can begin the process of trying to figure out how it was calculated. Is that?
Yes.
Okay. Then I was right. All right.
And
Anything else?
the only other thing I would say is we hope to get.
Didn't I? You know what? You know what? So when he interrupted me the last time, what did I say? I said I only wanted to hear from the student. I didn't want to hear from you.
Oh, God.
Didn't I say that?
All I wanted to say.
She was doing a wonderful job, Senator Croce, and I don't. Go ahead, mess it up.
She is a stellar student attorney. I just want to be clear, Your Honor, with the plaintiff. Our hope is to get her paid, right? No one's trying to get out of anything here. We're just trying to get Mr. to come through, clear up this confusion. She did want to leave at some point. It doesn't work for her now. We just want to make the plaintiff whole and allow this woman and her child to continue to live in peace. That's all. And it sounds like it's been a good relationship. The money's gotten screwed up. We hope to fix it.
She might disagree with that, but I'm not going to.
No, I understand.
Today. All right. Okay, very good. And Counselor, you've been before me before, haven't you?
I have not. My first time.
You have not. I'm looking at it and I said, I don't know if the hair changed or what. I don't know. So where are you from?
Originally from Missouri, but I went to undergrad at Michigan.
So you were an undergrad at Michigan, just couldn't leave and go to a good school. So now you're in law school there.
Yep, I love
Okay, I get that part. And you.
The defense asked for evidence and maintenance reports. Justice demands clarity.
You're originally from Missouri.
Yes.
Okay. That's okay. I'll let you practice. If you had been from some place like, I don't know, North Carolina or something, I would have changed my mind about you practicing. All right. All right. Well, welcome aboard. Okay, thank you. We'll see.
With a bit of humor, the judge ends the session. Fairness and patience prevail.